Good morning, very good morning. So in the last class, we have learnt about some collection of things. Group of objects is called a collection. What is collection? Collection means the group of objects. The group of objects is called a collection. So every collection is not a set. Already we have learnt in the last class about a set. What is set? Set means a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means what? What is well-defined? Collection of stars. It is not well-defined. Collection of stars. It is not well-defined. It is only collection. A well-defined collection of objects is called a set. So when the set is well-defined, when the collection is well-defined, it is called a set. There is a lot of difference between collection and a set. A group of objects is a collection. But every collection is not a set. But every set is a collection. So what type of collection will be set? Well-defined collection of sets. A well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means, what does it mean? Well-defined means, so for example, good books in the library. Good books in the library. So we'll go to the library, we take out the good books. How do you take out the good books? How do you feel the good books? I feel some book is good. You may feel some other book is good. Some other maybe feel some other book. So different people will feel different books. So when I feel that book is good, you may not feel that book is good, not good. So whatever I felt good, you may not feel it is good. That the opinion is different to person. So which I like, you may not like that. So that you could consider as a well-defined. So well-defined object, good authors, best cricket batsman in India, best batsman. So in my view, Sachin is a good batsman. Some other people may not feel he is best. They may not feel. So when universally it is accepted, it is well-defined. So stars in the sky, it is not a set, it is not well defined. Why? Stars, so many stars will be there in the sky. So many stars in the sky. It is only collection, it is not a set. Why it is not a set? Since it is not well defined. Some stars in the sky, it is a set. We have used the word some. Some stars in the sky. Few stars in the sky. These all sets. When the collection is well defined, a well defined collection of objects is called a set. Set of numbers. Numbers means what? It is not well defined. In numbers, so many are there. It is not what type of number it is. It is not defined properly. So when it is defined properly, well defined, it is set. Set of numbers. It is not a collection of numbers is not a set. Collection of natural numbers. Yes, it is a set. Collection of natural. What numbers? Natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Collection of whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Collection of prime numbers. Prime numbers. 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. So, a well-defined collection of objects is called a set. Generally, the sets, to represent the sets, we use capital letters. All sets are represented by capital letters in English, such as A, B, C, D. And these are the representation of set. The objects of a set are elements. What are elements? The objects that are written in a set. The objects that are written in a set are called elements. Set of natural numbers less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is. We enclose in the brace. This is brace. The representation of set is like this. You start this, end with this bracket. Brace. How do you read this? B-R-A-C-E, brace. The set of natural numbers less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this we use. This is set. This set you can name it as capital A. The set of vowels in English alphabet A, B, I, O, U. This in the last class we have learned. So, elements. What are the elements? The objects that are written in a set are called elements. For example, O. The set represented by O. O is equal to A, B, C, D. This is the set. This is the set. What are the things written? What are the objects written in the O? A, B, C, D. These are called elements. What do you call? Elements. And also I told you about the symbols. This is symbol is belongs to. If the element is present in a certain set, particular set, we call it as belongs to. What is this? Belongs to. The element is not present in a particular set, it is called does not belong to. Does not belong to. Does not belong to. Example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. C is equal to 9, 8, 10. Sorry, 8, 9, 10. This is. I give you, just fill with the symbols. Belongs to means the element is present in a particular set, it is called belongs to. If the element is not present in that, use the symbol does not belong to. 8 dash C. 3 dash A. 9 dash B. 8 dash. Against 8 element, what set is there? C. Does 8 belong to C or not? Check. 8 is the element of C or not? You check it. C set is what? 8, 9, 10. 8 is the element of C. So it is present in the C set. That is why it belongs to. 3 dash A. Is 3 element of A? Yes, 3 is element of A. Use symbol belongs to. Is 9 an element of B? See, check it. B set. In B set, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. 5, 6, 7, 8 elements are there. But 9 is not there. That is why it does not belong to. Like this, we can fill blanks with these symbols belongs to and does not belong to. If element is present, you can say that it belongs to. If it is not present, we say it does not belongs to. Now, classification of sets. Sets, writing sets. Already I told you yesterday. So, writing sets two forms. We can describe the sets in two forms. One is roster form. The other one is sets can be written in two forms. One is roster form. Roster form. Second one is set builder form. Set builder form. This roster form. The other name of roster form is list form. List form. The other name of set builder form is rule form. Rule form. So the writing sets are two types. Sets can be described or written in two forms, roster form and set builder form. Roster form means listing elements in a row and separated them by using commas and enclosed within the brace. Within the brace are called what? Roster form. What is roster form? The process of listing elements in a row and separated them by using commas and enclosed within the brace is called roster form. Example for roster form: natural numbers less than 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Natural numbers less than 7. Less than 7 means use up to, write up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we have written. And these all elements are separated by using comma and enclosed within the brace. Such type of writing set is called a roster form. The set of vowels in English alphabet. Vowels B. What are the vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. And these all separated by using commas and enclosed within the brace. Such type of writing set is called roster form. So this is roster form. Let us go for set builder form again. Set builder form. What is set builder form? The set which describes all the characteristic properties of elements. The set which describes all the characteristic properties of elements is called a set builder form. Set builder form means the brief form of the roster form. Roster form such a big you can write long process. The circular form is within one sentence. In a sentence, we can write this. Circular form gives the convey the meaning in one sentence. In one sentence. So circular form is short form. Rule form. Rule means what? We use some rules. The natural numbers less than 10. Natural numbers. For example, the set of vowels in English alphabet. Vowel is represented by capital letter V is equal the set of vowels. So in the circular form, we use the arbitrary letter. What you use? Arbitrary letter means that is variable. X such that X such that the ratio symbol read as such that X such that X. What is X? X is a vowel. X is a vowel. X is a vowel in English alphabet. English alphabet. This is circular form. Circular form. X like that. X is a vowel in English alphabet. This is circular. What is circular form? The set which describes all the characteristic properties of elements is called circular form. X like that. X is a vowel in English alphabet. X such that. X is a vowel in English alphabet. One more example. Let us see. A equal to X like that. X is a multiple of 3. X is that. X is a multiple of 3. X is less than 10. X is that. X is a multiple of 3. When you write in the roster form, you can convert into roster form this. V is equal to what? X is that. X is a vowel in English alphabet. How can you write in the roster form? What are the vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. So we change it into roster form. Similarly, X is that. X is a multiple of 3. X is that. X is a multiple of 3. X is less than 10. This is the circular form. Write in the roster form. X is a multiple of 3 multiples write down. 3 multiples are less than 10. Less than 10. 3 multiples write. 3 multiples start from 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 12 you cannot write because what is the condition? X is less than 10. X is that. X is a multiple of 3. The multiples of 3 less than 10. 3, 6, 9. This is roster form. So, if they given the circular form, you can write into roster form. Roster form can convert into circular form like this. So, these forms, roster form, the roster form and circular forms, they can be interchanged into one form to another form. So, I hope you understood this. Next, this is all yesterday I taught. I revised this. Now let us go for types of sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. So, I hope you better understood about set and collection and writing sets also, roster form and circular form. Now, types of sets. First one, empty set. Empty set. Empty. Empty means you know that. Empty means nothing. Empty means nothing. Empty. Empty set. Empty set. The set which contains no elements. The set which contains no elements in it is called empty set. Empty set or null set or a void set. A void. What is empty set? The other name of empty set is what? Null set. The other name of empty set is null set or a void set. A void set. A void set. A-V-O-I-D. Void set. And is denoted by pi. You read as PH1. The light should come out of the 0. This is 5. No elements. The set which contains no elements. The set which contains no elements in it is called null set. Null set represented by 5. 5 means what? Empty brace. No elements, you can find empty set. No elements, empty this is called empty set or null set. Is it empty set? A is equal to 0 is element. 0 is filled here. 0 is present here in this set. 0 also an element. It is not empty. 0 is an element. The nothing is there, it is empty. This is empty set. This is not empty set. This is not empty set. So, x such that x is not equal to x. X such that x is not equal to x is empty set. Empty set. The empty set is represented by 5. What is empty set? The set which contains no elements in it is called empty set or null set or a void set and is denoted by 5. It is denoted by the letter 5. It is denoted by the letter 5. This is empty set. So, next we will go for examples. Empty set examples. Empty set example. So, Women Chief Minister of Telangana or combined Andhra Pradesh. Combined Andhra Pradesh. Women Chief Minister. Women Chief Minister of combined Andhra Pradesh. Before formation of Telangana till 2014, the combined state. In the combined state, any woman acted as a Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? No woman. That is empty set. That is, empty set means nothing. So, empty set means nothing. What is empty set? Nothing. Nothing means the set which contains no elements in it is called empty set. Next, we will go for subset. Subset. What is subset? Let A and B be two sets. Let A and B be two sets. Two sets are there, A and B. If every element of A is in B, then A is called subset of B. Suppose there are two sets A and B. If every element of A is in B, every element of A is in B means every element of A is present in B set. Whatever elements are there in A, all those elements should be in B. Then we say A is called subset of B. Then A is said to be subset of B. A is called what? A is said to be subset of B. If every element of B is present in A, then B is said to be subset of A. Example. The symbol for subset is like this. This is subset symbol. Subset symbol. Example. A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is A subset of B? Yes. Why? Every element of A. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3. These 1, 2, 3 are present in B. Therefore, A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Why A is subset of B? Every element of A is also element of B. Every element of A is present in B. That is why A is said to be subset of B. Is B subset of A? No. Every element of B is not present. Only 3 elements are present. 1, 2, 3 only present in A. What about 4, 5? 4, 5 are not there. 4, 5 elements are not there in A. That is why B is not subset of A. What is subset? Every element of some set is present in other set. Then we say that first set is subset of second set. Every element of second set is present in first set. Then second set is said to be subset of first set. So let A and B be two sets. If every element of A is in B, then A is said to be subset of B. Example, A equal to 1 to 3, B equal to 1 to 3, 4, 5. Every element of A, 1 to 3 are, every element of A, what are the elements in A? 1 to 3, these are present in B. That is why A is not subset of B. Is B subset of A? No. Every element of B is not present in A. Why? 4, 5 elements are not there in A. That is why B is not subset of A. So, next, this is subset. So far, we learn about empty set and subset. Empty set means no element. A set which contains no element is called a empty set. And subset means if let two sets A and B, if every element of A is present in B, then A is said to be subset of B. The symbol for subset is, this is symbol for subset. This is empty set. And one more thing you have to learn, empty set is subset of empty set. Some important points, empty set is subset of every set. 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 Every set is subset of itself. Every set is subset of itself. This. Every set is subset of every set. Write the number of subsets. Empty set is subset of every set. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3 given. Write the subsets of this. List out the subsets. List out the subsets of A is equal to 1 to 3. So, subsets of A. I told that empty set is subset of every set. Empty set means use pi symbol or empty place. Otherwise, we can use this symbol. Either this or this. Use at a time, don't use two symbols. This is equal to this. Pi or empty place is the same. Empty set only. Pi. We are listing out the subsets of A is equal to 1 to 3. How do you list out the subsets of given set? Given set is A equal to 1 to 3. We are listing out the subsets. The subsets of A. First, what you have to write? Empty set is subset of every set. Pi is subset of A. Given set is A. Pi is subset of A. And given set is subset of every set. Every set is subset of itself. A is subset of itself. A. You can write A or A means 1 to 3 also you can write. Now, every individual element, 1, 2, 3, and pairing. Every set is subset of every set, given set is subset of itself, and every individual element, 1 individual, 2 individual, 3 individual, next pair, 1, 2, next 2, 3, next 3, 1. So, how many you got? Just count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8. We got 8. Like this. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 given, like that only you do it. Pairing. First write, empty set is subset of every set. Given set is subset of itself. A is subset of A, B is subset of B, C is subset of C, D is subset of D. Every individual element 1, 2, 3, again take 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, like that you do it. So how many you got totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from this you can derive the formula. Now number of subsets. Next formula, number of subsets. Number of subsets of n elements. Number of subsets of n elements of A. For example, in A set there are n elements. The number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. 2 power n. Number of subsets. How can you calculate the number of subsets? For example, A is equal to 1 given. We have listed out the subsets of A. How many you got? 8 you got. How can you say that it is 8 is correct or not? 2 cube, 2 power n. N is equal to what here? N is equal to, in the example, how many elements are here? 1, 2, 3. Substitute n is equal to 3, 2 cube, 8. There are 8 subsets. Count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of subsets of n elements of A is formula 2 power n. 2 power n. If there are 5 elements, for example, if there are 5 elements in a set, B is equal to A, E, I, O, U there. In these subsets, n is equal to how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. Number of subsets formula 2 power n. 2 to the power of 5. That is equal to 32 subsets will get. 32 subsets will get. So individually you can write that. Empty set is subset of B. B is subset of B. Every individual element A, E, I, O, U, pairing A, E, E, I, I, O, O, U, U, A, like that. Again 3, A, E, I, E, I, O, like that. You go on to till you get 32 subsets. So whether our problem is whether it is correct or not, how to check means use using the formula 2 power n. If there are n elements in a set, number of subsets equal to what formula? 2 power n. 2 power n. So this about types of sets, there is empty set and subsets. So very number of subsets, how to list out the number of subsets also we have learned. Now we can do exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Before exercise 2.1 we can do it. Exercise 2.1. Roster form can be changed into set builder form can be changed into roster form. One more example I told you. Write x as that x is a multiple of 5 less than 20. Write in the roster form. Write x as that x is a multiple of 5 less than 20 in roster form. Write in roster form. Roster form. How can you write in the roster form? X as that x is a multiple of 5 multiples less than 20. 5 multiples write down. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 15. Less than 20. This is like this. And I will use simple form one more. X as that x belongs to z, x lies between -3 and +3. This is circular form. This is what? Circular form. So write in the roster form. Roster form, x belongs to z. X said that x belongs to z. That means integers. So what will write? Less than or equal to given. Less than or equal to means includes. Equal sign here. When the equal sign is there, it includes. -3 includes. When the equal sign is there, the +3 also includes. Includes means you should write -3. Includes not there, don't write. Below that you write down. Includes -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this. This is roster form. For example, like this given, x is that x belongs to z. X lies between -3 and +3. Equal sign is not there here. Equal sign is not there, it does not include. Below -3 and +3. Below -3 and +3. -2, -1, 0, 1, like this you write. If the equal sign is there, it includes. The equal sign is not there, does not include. So you can write roster into set builder form. Set builder form you can write into roster form. So I hope you understood these problems. Now you complete a textbook. Textbook exercise 2.1 completed. Exercise 2.1 children. Exercise 2.1 you completed. So the exercise 2.1 is based on the concept whatever so far I explained. So using that concept you can solve the exercise 2.1. Okay, right children. Thank you.